Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much.
Come on, Harvey. Wait.
Yeah.
Go and talk to them. I ain't waiting.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have stew peas. He's really hungry. But before we dig in and I tell you what's inside of this stew peas, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk.
Yeah.
I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk.
We are back. I know you like First Lady outfit of the day because I love it. You like it. All right.
Okay, family,
Yeah,
so
please.
we know that we've had stew peas on this channel before because this is something that we eat on a regular.
Bring it
Every
back.
food that we eat is what we eat on a regular. I prepared it myself.
That's right.
Normally I add some, this is a ranch, okay? You guys know I started liking ranch all of a sudden. But normally I put a couple of pieces, maybe like let's say 3 pieces of smoked turkey neck to give it a smoky flavor. But my father-in-law is here and he doesn't like turkey, so I didn't put it in there.
Yes.
And I said that just to let you guys know that you can always take something out, add something, you just make it your own, okay?
Yep. But you know me. I love it meaty. Family, I am hungry today. I ain't capping, yo.
So in the stew peas, I have salt beef, since Richie doesn't eat pork. And I have chicken foot, oxtail,
Oh.
and red kidney peas. That's what gives it the red color.
I hope you like our soup yesterday because y'all got a lot.
That soup was so good.
Delicious. All right, family. I'm just gonna do this one time. There's a big piece of oxtail. You know I don't share oxtails. So I'm gonna give you a piece, and the
That's
rest
it.
is mine. Okay? I don't want to be mean. Here, take it. Take that piece. First lady. Like, see? I can't see first lady. Good. All right. See, I don't want to put it too close, and then they're gonna bite my hand. So you know, family, what's going on? Beard.
Drop already?
Beard. I'm a beard already, huh? Yeah, so we're in the beard gang.
Gang, gang.
Gang. It's all good. Family, you know what time it is when we got stew peas, you know? Wow.
Big dinner.
Big, you know.
Yeah, man.
Where's the oxtail expensive when you buy oxtail with stew peas?
Yeah, but this.
Upstone stew peas you have in it?
But
Wow.
because I'm making stew peas.
Oh, I got your one over here.
Oh, thank you. I don't need a lot of oxtail.
That's true.
You just need like 2 pounds. Cause you're gonna have 2 pounds of oxtail.
There's your side. Because your side always looks scrumptious. Spectacular with it. See? First lady, I always have the good side. It's the same. I forgot.
You only need you only need two you only need 2 pounds of oxtail, like a pound of chicken foot, maybe like a half pound of chicken foot, and a pound of salt beef.
Wow.
If you don't eat chicken foot, you don't have to put it. See, my father-in-law doesn't eat turkey. I didn't put it. It still tastes the same.
Still tastes the same. Improvise. Oh, my fault. I'm gonna dash of the rice again, you know?
What? No, it's not.
This is delicious. Y'all know that already. I'm starving. Wow. Alright. There you go. Good food.
Delicioso.
I deserve this meal.
We'll go again with the fuckeries.
Everything I say is a fuckery, right? So I don't deserve this meal then. I don't want it. I'm still on that shit.
Can I have a kiss? I asked Richie for a kiss. You notice he made sure he put his food in his mouth first.
Oh yeah. Good. Oh, no spinach today. Can it take long?
What is that? No spinach.
It's gonna take long. Probably. I don't know, but yo, this is. What y'all been up to, y'all? Every time I ask you what y'all been up to, girl, I can't want to tell me. You understand what I'm talking, right?
No. What did you just say?
I'm gonna stop eating and talking because I don't know what I'll be saying sometimes. Every time I ask them what be going on with them, what they be doing, you know what I mean?
Oh, they're not
How it
answering.
work. Sometimes they answer. How's the new year treating you so far, man? Got you on deck, you know? Good? Okay. Oh.
I wonder.
It's a good start. I heard you. It's a good start so far. Yeah, I understand. Wait a minute. Did you get that stimulus? Cause I get mine yet. I'm waiting.
Well, that means the one one.
For real. Let me know if y'all got that stimulus.
Well, I heard that they're going in alphabetical order. So
We need that.
we have a ways to go.
We need that, son.
But what I don't understand. Let me not even get into it because
No. Get into it.
it just feel like it's
And
just
if
a
not,
slap
it
in the face.
Yeah. Or $600, right? What you could do with that? For real. Thank you. Makes no sense. 600 is.
Yeah.
Fan, what y'all think about that? $600 good? I know y'all don't. I know y'all.
Because.
Wow. Okay, well, let's get into it first, lady. I'll eat.
It's just.
You don't want to say that in a send hours?
No. Shoot, you never know enough.
For real. Remember, if you get it, we're not talking about it. Cause
It's
I
gonna
don't
work.
want to send it. I want to send the hours.
Because the way how Alexa be informing, Alexa ain't farmer, you know?
Yep.
Be careful with that Alexa.
Fam, you have to turn off Alexa. She's too nosy. Alexa pick up everything. Real talk.
We put Alexa on mute
Yeah.
until we need her. Because Alexa be listening to everything we say.
Everything.
That happened to you? What you gonna say, baby? What's this?
Our son, aka Mr. Vincent, aka Mr. TikTok, aka Mr. Vince Instagram, what is Instagram? Aka Mr. YouTuber, aka the boss,
What is that
made
AKA?
E News with his video. That's crazy. He's on E News.
His video
Yeah.
had over 52 million views. And E-News was like, hey, can we put you? So if you want to see his video, go check him out on Instagram. Matter of fact, go check out E-News. Just type in E-News and you'll see his video there.
Yeah, just type in E News on the Instagram and you see that video.
Oh my God!
Damn. 52 million? Enough views, that enough? You know what's millions of
You
millions?
have a lot of baby on your side.
Where?
Why your spoon always gonna be on my
I
side?
didn't see it. I was just drawing everything closer to the camera. Right?
That goose hot sauce hot enough. It's strong.
He's on that road to 1 million, man.
Yep.
Give him a little follow. And let him know the greedy family sent you over here. He ain't tell nobody about we.
Let him know the greedy couple.
Oh, the greedy family. No, yeah, the greedy couple, but greedy family, they the one that come over here. The greedy couple send you over here. So let him know the greedy couple send you over here. Alright? He ain't giving us none of his followers.
They're not come. They're too old.
Yeah, they ain't coming over here.
They ain't coming over here.
That's what's up. That's what happened. He put in the work.
Yeah, he did put in the work.
He put in that work. It pays off. You know what I'm saying? We always talk about it in everything you do. Put in that work. Right?
Yep. Because, and again, remember, we were talking about this the other day. And I was saying, don't let, because somebody else is doing something that you want to do, stop you. Don't say, oh, it's saturated with YouTubers. It's saturated with TikTokers. It's saturated with a clothing line. It's saturated with a shoe store. But there's only one shoe store like yours.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
There's only one YouTube like yours.
Yep. Different. Should be different. Huh?
There's only one manager like you.
Yeah, exactly.
So, go for it.
Don't be scared. Go for what you want, son. Right. You want to give me some of your salad? You didn't even give me a lot of food.
Okay, I did.
No, you didn't. I told you I was hungry.
I need a lot of food.
Family, I was hungry. I ain't gonna lie. As you could see.
This ranch is nice.
Right now.
It has to be this ranch though.
Is your first lady with her pearls in her ears? Around her neck?
Not that kind of pearls.
Yeah. You got the pearls, them son. You got that bag. I want my $600. I don't care what first lady say. I need my 600, son. What y'all think? I know y'all want yours too. Like, hey, they like, yeah, Ricky, I want mine too. Don't worry, y'all gonna get it. I know some of y'all got it already.
I can imagine.
What?
I wonder how the this ranch dressing would taste with Wingstop.
Oh, we're gonna try. We're gonna try. We're gonna try though. Look at that. Mine's are yours.
You can have it.
Okay, good. Family, this is good. So good we have to do it again.
It's not as peppery. Normally I put like 4, 5 peppers in my stew peas. Because our family likes it spicy. But my father-in-law can't take pepper, so I just put like a half a pepper.
Yep. But you know I got grace on deck though. I always got a grace on deck.
Sure.
That time.
Is that time?
For the word of the day, aka word of wisdom. Pastor Rich.
It's the time of the month.
First, listen to this one. Family, listen to this one. Let me get a sip of my shot of juice.
What you be saying?
I got my juice on the rocks. Got my juice on the rocks. All right. Family. Family, don't chase people. Be yourself. Do your own thing and work hard. The right people, the one who really belong in your life, will come to you and stay.
Yes.
Excuse me. Did you hear what I say? You heard me, First Lady? You didn't hear me? Want me to say it again?
What you say it again?
Okay. Don't chase people. There you go. That's why you see how y'all do it. All right. You see, that's why I don't like y'all. You know. You think you could trick me today? You can't trick me today. No? Long time, yeah. Watch you. All right. Don't chase people. Be yourself. Do your own thing and work hard. The right people, the one who really belong in your life, will come to you and stay.
Oh, that.
Will Smith. right. Yeah, you think you slick. Almost catch me slipping, you know? You almost caught me slipping, son, but good try. But it wasn't good enough. That's what you like when I read past the word of wisdom and then first they eating food. Can't trick me today.
If you notice, it's so funny because
What?
everyone has a different style of eating.
What is that?
Which he always ends with more meat at the end.
Goddamn after rice was.
I have a combination of both.
Yeah? You think people do that? Like,
People are different. I'll have rice and meat and vegetable. You eat all your rice, all your vegetable, and then you leave the meat.
I think people just eat everything at once. Calm it down if you do what first lady just said.
Everybody's different. Some people, they can't even drink.
Some people.
They can't even drink while they eat their food. They have to eat all their food first and then drink. And some people, they have to drink after every bite.
Me, like me?
It's like everybody's different.
Okay. I gotta eat my meat last, dog. Damn. That's still good. Right. I need a cow.
Yo. That'll be a lot of meat today.
You got meat for days.
Vincent, why you scared me like that?
Okay.
I'm sitting here minding my business. I just see the door open.
We just send you some followers. Make sure you send back us some. And make sure. You see? He just came in the room. He don't want to give us no. He don't want to give us none of his followers.
That's never mind.
What you gonna say? You gonna give us? I sent you some family. Said they said
More
greedy.
like I give you some.
No.
Oh!
No. If they come over and say greedy couple, send me over there. Make sure you say yes. Yeah, right. I answered to them. He don't want. He's so busy. He can't even get through all his comments. Yeah. You subscribers?
We did get some. We did get some TikTokers.
Hey, G, you gave us a shout out. We got some TikTokers for real.
You guys. We did
You want
the,
300?
yeah. We did the
The Christmas video.
Christmas video.
Almost
He tagged
300
us.
came over there.
300 people.
Yeah.
Damn.
Got a shout out, see? Don't worry. I mean?
He said more like I gave y'all some followers. Damn.
So greedy family, go over there, go show them some love, and let them know Pastor Richie sent you an AKA First Lady, Chachi Shanice. Do that for us, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let them know that. We got a big family over here, too. We got a big family base over here. You know what I mean?
He be trying us.
Yeah, he be trying us, you know what I'm saying? But we over here too. You lit. AKA Chachi Shanice, man.
You know, for the family members who be saying, Rich, you need to stop taking my food. Listen, let me tell you something.
I've been taking
I
your
always,
food, son.
for 19 years,
All right.
I always put more food on my side.
Yeah, and first they be eating, so don't think first they not be eating. First they eat till she full. And one day first they if she full, she's full. That's it. I don't want first to eat them if she's full. So I gotta take it.
I always give myself a little extra rice, a little extra meat. I know he's coming over here.
Thank you. Well explained.
He can't resist himself.
Yeah, gotta come over there. Gotta come over there first lady side. But If you finish your food already. Damn, yo. I know you didn't give me a lot.
You still hungry, honey? You can take the rice.
The rice cold now.
See, my mother said.
The rice cold now, fam. Here on the cold, right?
The chicken foot is the best part for me.
Slamming.
It's so soft.
Family, you know what's funny? When I be reading the comments, man, y'all be saying some stuff, yo. We just be laughing, yo. Y'all say the sweet stuff. I'm no capping, real talk.
And funny.
And it's funny. Y'all be
It's
saying
like
some
they know
stuff.
us.
Yeah. Y'all be saying some stuff, yo. I be like, oh my gosh. We just have to laugh.
And the best part is, you guys feel so comfortable to just say whatever.
Exactly.
And you guys know we're not going to take offense to it.
We don't.
You know what I mean?
That's right. That's one thing. Say it again, Fred. They didn't hear you.
We're not going to take offense to it.
There we go.
Now, if you say something out your way,
No.
but I'm saying, like, they would say something like, yo, Mr. Richie can yam or something.
Yeah.
We just laugh about
We
it.
just laugh. We just be laughing. We appreciate y'all, boss. We really appreciate y'all. You know what I mean? We got a strong fan base. And we love when you comment and say what y'all want to say. Because as again.
As again.
Yeah.
I like that.
As again. What first that he said, we don't take offense to it.
But then, and let me rephrase that,
Yeah.
because you're not saying anything bad.
Bad.
But when you're running a joke, we know it's a joke,
Yeah,
and we
yeah.
sit here and we laugh.
We
You know
laugh.
what I mean? We don't take offense if you say something,
For real.
because you guys are family. So families tease each other and joke with each other. So
Now we have to invite all you over.
Whew.
How can we?
I'm full.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, because we gave you all the food today. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are first today?
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. You still on yum?
Nice a freak. 1, 2.
Bye!
Got me straight.
You have food in your mouth, man. You ready? Bye.